Today, I'm going to show you why your builds need NPCs and how I set them up. Take a look at this bar. I built this in my survival series, and the details are amazing. We have an area for a singer, a bar where amazing drinks can be made, tables for all of the customers, but we don't have a singer, we don't have a bartender, and we definitely don't have customers. So I've started placing magical buttons into my builds. I call them BTLBs, Bring to Life buttons. Just one press and the entire building comes to life in an instant. And I want to put one of these in each of my buildings over the next few weeks. So, how is it done? First of all, you're going to need an NPC mod. You can do this in vanilla, with some player heads and leather armor, but this is way better with a mod. You need to make sure your mod is able to be controlled with commands. I'm using the Tatterson's NPC mod. I'm using this for all of the story elements in my survival series, Morningcraft. But to bring this building to life, I place a command block and a button attached to it. So this might seem pretty obvious so far. You just put the command into the block and it does the trick. But what if you want to run multiple commands at once? Well, that's simple. You just need to make a data pack. First, you're going to need a folder, and you're going to need to make a pack.mc meta file. In there, you need to specify your game version. Then, you need to make a data folder. Inside your data folder, you're going to need a namespace. I'm using Morningcraft, but this can be anything you want. Then, create a functions folder. Inside the functions folder, create another folder with any name you want. I'm calling mine BTL for Bring to Life. And then you can create a MC function file for your function. Mine's called test for now, but it can be called anything you'd like. Here's an example MC function for the Tatterson mod that creates an NPC based upon the preset singer and teleports them to a location. And once that's done, you just add the MC meta file and the data folder into a zip file, and then you can install the data pack into your world. If you need to make any changes, you just change the contents of the zip file and type /reload, and then the data pack will refresh. And from there, it's pretty simple. You just go to your command block and you add a command to run your function. Press the button and there we have it, a bustling bar. If you want to follow along with the development of my world, join me for my Morningcraft morning series. From now on, I'm going to be adding Bring to Life buttons to all of my builds to give the city a real sense of being alive. I hope this tutorial was pretty helpful. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful morning.